Hello guys, today we are going to discuss about layer 2 and layer 3 ether channel. So our topic is ether channel. Okay, first of all we need to know about what is ether channel and what we have to discuss about LACP here. Okay, ether channel is supposed to be the logical bundle of physical redundant link between switches. Redundant means duplicate links. Like for examples, this is a switch, this is a switch, and switches are connected like this. Redundant links between the switches are connected like 4 cables. It may be layer 2, it may be layer 3, so you can choose like this also. So if you are seeing that there are the physical link connected between two switch and you want to make it as a logical bundle, okay, like 4 links are converted into one single link, so this is known as ether channel. Like to create a logical bundle of physical redundant links between switches is known as ether channel, or you also called it as like aggregations of the links. Okay, so after aggregation we have to go for the practical part, but before the practical part we need to understand the concept used by ether channel. And Cisco has one version of ether channel which named as PAGP, port aggregation protocol, which is used by Cisco, but now we are working on LACP, link aggregation control protocol. In link aggregation control protocol we have two modes, active mode and passive mode. So it is working like same as in the previous version of Cisco, that in PAGP we were working on desirable and auto mode. So the work is done in PAGP as desirable, same work is done by active mode, and the auto mode for PAGP same represent the passive mode in LACP. So let's have some practical. So I have to open my Cisco packet tracer first. On Cisco packet tracer we will configure our ether channel. So this is our Cisco packet tracer software. So I will enlarge the size of Cisco packet tracer and after that we will configure it. So you can use it for both layer 2 and layer 3 switch, it's up to you. For the current time I am using 2 layer 2 switches here and I am connecting 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I have connected 4 links between 2 switches. So you can see that by default one switch ports are green and another switch ports only one port is green. This is because of spanning tree protocol, because spanning tree protocol is used to avoid the loop between two switches, so that only one port is open at one time. Okay, so now it is used for loop avoidance, so I want to use as a link aggregation control protocol. So what we have to do, I have to go for the CLI command, and in CLI enable configure interface range FA 0 by 1 to 4, because we have taken 4 links, and switch to switch the mode should be configured as a trunk, because trunk is configured between 2 switches. And now I am going to make 4 links into one bundle, and the command is channel group. So we can choose 1 to 6 channel group 1 mode. So I have told you that in LACP we have 2 modes, active mode as well as passive mode. So I am using this mode as a passive. So what is the meaning of passive? Passive means I will enable LACP only if a LACP device is detected. So make sure if you are using one mode as a passive, then another mode should be active also. Okay, so I am going to exit this. Interface port channel 1, switch port mode trunk, and I have used the default VLAN, so I have to allow that VLAN. Switch port trunk allowed VLAN 1 here. Do show history. this was the command that I have used in my switch number 1. So you can check here. First I have used 4 interface, and after that I combined it into one mode passive, and after that interface port channel will be up. So on the other hand of switch, click on switches, enable interface range FA0 by 1 to 4, switch port mode trunk. Okay, so channel group 1 mode active. So in our first switch we have used the mode passive, and in our this switch I'm using active. Exit interface port channel 1, switch port mode trunk, and switch port trunk allowed VLAN 1. Okay, so you can check here now both the ends of switches are green. And if you will check here, like show ether channel, in show ether channel you will check group is 1, that I have chosen port channel 1 here. Group state is L2 because I am choosing here layer 2 switches. Port is 4, but you can access maximum port 16, and the protocol name is LACP. So LACP is the EtherChannel form which is used for like the logical bundle creation of physical redundant link. Thank you so much.